Afternoon. I'm just going to go through key programming on a this is a Land Rover Discovery 4. Customer, actually a friend of mine, I wouldn't normally do this, has found an old Jag key and wants to know if we can program it to his Discovery 4. So we're going to use the Autel IM508 OBD. We got a working key, so it's not all keys lost. We got a Jaguar key. Don't know the condition of this, so we're going to switch the ignition on. We're going to go Discovery 4. Oh, music up to 2014. We're going to go to Remote Relearn. Actually going to go to there. Right, so what we're going to do first is this smart key, this Jaguar key, is actually coded to some other car, obviously a Jaguar, not a Land Rover. So we're going to recover the smart key. What that does is it takes an old key and it virginizes it without the use of anything else. So I'm going to press start. Yes, we would like to continue. Ignition off. Okay. It's just switched the vehicle back on. Was it turned on? Yes, it was. Okay, put the recovering smart key in your hand. Jaguar smart key. Unlock button. Unlock button pressed. So that's it, virginized it now. Would you like to recover the next one? No. It's now switched the ignition back off. We're now going to go to add smart key. Let's press the start button, which I have. Ignition's on. Ignition off. Was it switched on? Yes, it was. Blurry screen. Okay. Relearn key is free. Would you like to add? Yes. Put the key in your hand. Okay. Hold down the lock button. Beeps. So that should be it. Right, so let's get rid of this old key out of here a minute. Away from the vehicle, let's try this Jaguar key. Yep. Yep. Right, see if it starts it. There we go. A used Jaguar key to a Land Rover.